My respects to nature lovers. Since childhood, I have enjoyed listening to the chirping and trilling of birds, was fond of studying them, and engaged in nature research. At the moment, I have already collected material from photos and videos about various bird species and dedicate this channel to these lovely creatures of nature. Birds, due to their diverse sizes and lifestyles, are the most noticeable, very mobile and picturesque creatures of nature, and their melodious voices, pleasant to every taste, will appeal to connoisseurs of everything natural. Admire them, subscribe and like them.